While one part of the country faces deadly heat waves, the other region, just a few miles away, faces heavy rainfall, flash floods, and violent storms simultaneously.
May 2022 saw Jacobabad reach 51 degrees Celsius, marking one of the most severe pre-monsoon heat sequences in Pakistan's modern climate history. Lahore Airport received 392.5 millimeters of rainfall during June 2023, its wettest June ever. These rains do not recede gently. Instead, they often continually lead to landslides, flash floods, and widespread damage.
El Niño Southern Oscillation sets the year-to-year rhythm of variability, while climate change raises the baseline with each passing decade. Pakistan is no longer facing separate climate problems, but a dangerous overlap of extreme heat and extreme rainfall driven by changing global climate patterns.